How to connect Terabox to Telegram bot. First, you want to sign up for Terabox. Open up their website and sign up using your email address or social media account. Or you can just log in if you already have an account. Then sign up Telegram bot. So create a new bot. Open up Telegram bot app and then search for the bot father. It's an official bot for creating new bots. Send the command /new bot and follow the instructions to receive your unique API token. Then configure your bot. You can set custom commands or welcome messages for your bot depending on your needs. Then you just find or create a Terabox Telegram bot integration. Search for existing integrations. You can search for pre-existing bots that already integrate with Terabox. Go to Telegram and search for the terms Terabox or Terabox integration. You might also have to create your own if it's necessary. Then you just link Terabox and Telegram bot. So access the Telegram bot integration tool if you found a pre-existing bot integration. Follow the specific instructions provided by the bot developer. Typically, you'll need to follow the steps. Join the Telegram group or channel provided by the bot creator. Authenticate your Terabox account by logging in through a secure method. Then use bot commands. Once authenticated, you can use the Telegram bot commands to connect it to your Terabox account. Common commands include these right here. For API token for custom integration, if you're building your own integration, use the API token from your Telegram bot and the Terabox API documentation to authenticate and connect both services. You will need to set up a server or use a service like Heroku or Glitch to host your bot script. Then manage the files through Telegram. Do this by uploading the files to Terabox using Telegram. Once connected, you can upload files from Telegram to your Terabox account. Just send the file to the bot or use commands like /file, /upload file name to store files in your Terabox cloud. Then download the files from Terabox to Telegram. Similarly, you can download files stored in Terabox to Telegram with commands such as download file ID or get file name. If this helped you, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.